Welcome to the four-wheel camper showroom. Behind me is the Fleet Slide and Shell model, fit for mid-sized trucks with a 6-foot bed. We're gonna do a walkthrough starting with the exterior passenger side. The large window comes standard on all of the Shell models. You also have the option to choose between 2 awnings and a variety of customizable roof racks. Coming around the rear of the camper, we have the standard porch light, but there are additional lighting options to choose from. If you opt to have the furnace on the interior of the camper, this is where you'll find storage for 2 2.5-gallon propane tanks. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side of the camper, you can opt to add an additional window. This is the exhaust for the furnace. Let's pop the top and check out the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Fleet Slide and Shell model. The standard shell comes with this style bench seating along both sides of the camper. You can see in this particular example though, they opted for the rollover couch. You could also choose a side dinette option and they both convert into additional bedding. Over here we have the optional stovetop and furnace combo. It provides some counter space as well as storage for your batteries. If you're wondering how you can power your camper, there are several battery and solar options to choose from. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. Moving on to the vinyl pop-up portion of the camper. This includes 4 windows, 2 on each side. Each comes with a screen, a clear coating, and a privacy screen. You can also add an additional thermal pack, which will provide you more insulation. Up top, there are 4 LED strips all around the camper and a powered fan. You can also choose to add another fan in the front of the camper above the bed. Over at the cab over area is the slide out bed. The queen size comes standard. When you're ready to use it, simply slide the bed out and pop in the cushions. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. That wraps up our walkthrough of the Fleet Slide and Shell model. To customize your own build, go ahead and check out the Build My Camper tool on our website, and we'll see you down the trail.